Yo, what's up, moneymakers? Ever looked at your Chime balance and thought, this ain't enough? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into how to squeeze every last penny out of your Chime account. We're talking legit ways to boost that balance, not get-rich-quick schemes. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about that sweet direct deposit. It's like the golden ticket to Chime perks. Get your paycheck, government benefits, or whatever it is directly deposited into your Chime account. Not only does it make your life easier, but it also unlocks features like SpotMe, which is basically an overdraft fee-free lifeline. Plus, it puts you in the running for higher SpotMe limits, which means more breathing room between paydays. Next up, let's talk about maximizing your earnings. Chime offers a high-yield savings account, which means your money is actually working for you. Every little bit counts, so consider automating transfers from your checking to savings. It's like having a personal financial assistant. While you're at it, take advantage of any bonus offers Chime might be running. It's free money, people. Now, let's get into some creative ways to boost your income. Side hustles are the name of the game. Think about your skills. Can you write, edit, design, or code? There are tons of online platforms where you can offer your services. If you're more of a people person, consider driving for a rideshare service or delivering food. Every extra dollar counts. But wait, there's more. Chime has partnered with some cool companies to offer cashback rewards. From online shopping to job applications, there are opportunities to earn extra cash. It's like getting paid to do stuff you already do. Remember, small steps can lead to big results. Every dollar you save or earn is a step closer to your financial goals. Be patient, stay consistent, and don't be afraid to try new things. And hey, while you're at it, check out those Chime referral bonuses. Bring a friend on board and you both get some extra cash. It's a win-win. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep grinding and growing that Chime balance.